Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to stop Fortnite from crashing on PC. First things first, begin by closing as many applications as possible. Access the hidden icons menu and exit or quit applications running in the background. Then, you want to press the Windows key and R simultaneously on your keyboard. Then, type %local app data % and press enter. In here, navigate to Fortnite Games, Save, Config, then Windows Client. Lastly, just right-click on the game user settings, File, and select Rename. Add a 1 to the end of the file name and confirm the change. Then you just want to launch Fortnite and the crash issue should be resolved. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.